guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lilia, and today I am on a cruise from Manila all the way to the island of Coron. I'll be completely honest with you, when I booked this tour, I thought it was just going to be an overnight jaunt, and that there was a typo on my ticket. In fact, it is a 2-night journey, but because of some delays, we're currently on day 3. So we left on Friday, it's now Sunday night, but I thought I would give you a little peek inside. First, we'll start with the different ways you can get to the island of Coron. You can fly or you can take this ferry. The flight was actually very expensive. It cost around $140 for a one-way, not including my checked baggage. So I decided to look for another option, which is Ready to Go Ferry. They're the only company that has a direct ferry trip from the capital of Manila to the island of Coron. So we decided to take it. I'll include the link of where you can buy the tickets. You have a variety of accommodation options. You have a value option, which is on the 2nd and 3rd deck of the boat, and there is no air conditioning. It's kind of out with the elements. You don't get any bed sheets. Do you have a pillow? No. You don't get a pillow. It's very basic. Then you can upgrade to the tourist pack bundle, which is what me and my friends went with, and those do have a pillow. It's inside and it's air conditioned, but you're in a bunch of bunk beds with a bunch of different people. And then you have a third option of the cabin, which we upgraded to on the first night, and that is a room of 4 beds with your own private bathroom and a locker cubby for your important items. And then the most luxurious accommodation option you can use is a
stateroom.
Is the stateroom, which is basically like a hotel room. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of that because I'm not bougie enough to get to stay in that room. I paid about $50 for the tourist option, and then once I got on the boat, I paid about $5 US, 200 Filipino pesos to upgrade to the cabin room, which I highly recommend, especially if you have 3 other people with you, so you guys can have the whole room to yourselves and keep all of your important valuables in there. So hot tip, when you first get on the boat and you want to upgrade, immediately go to the front desk, which I'll show you right now, to get your name on the list, because it's a first come, first serve situation. All right, now let's go tour the boat, the cruise. Woo! This is the front where you're gonna come in. This is the front desk, and if you want to upgrade your accommodation, you will come here and you can pay. This is the little sign. So as you can see, if you were a super value and you wanted to upgrade to a cabin, you'd pay $600. We were here on tourist and we wanted to upgrade to cabin, so we paid 200 pesos. Then, if you come over here, we have a chapel.
Still a peek inside.
If you want to pray. No one's in here, so we'll take a peek. Whatever your religion is.
Yeah.
I had the intention of coming in here to meditate. Didn't happen because I slept most of my time, but it's fine. Now let's come on over to the Quick Mart. This, you have a variety of snacks, drinks, and beverages. Another hot tip, you don't get toilet paper unless you're in the cabin or the luxury suite. So you can buy it for 25 pesos, as well as pads and wipes and stuffed animals. Oh, I almost forgot, the gift shop. If you want to remember this experience, you can come on over. Oh, it's locked because it's like 8 o'clock at night, but this is the gift shop. We will probably be hitting this up tomorrow to get ourselves a memory of this fantastic time in the cruise. All right, let's come on over to the charging station. This is the charging station. If you have the cabin room, you'll have your own plug inside the room. If not, you need to pay to charge your electronics. As you can see, it is 5 pesos per 10-minute charge. We have a variety of toggle options, so don't worry, your electronics will be charged, but you won't be able to use them because it requires Wi-Fi, which you don't have on this boat. Now let's go to the saving grace, my dessert option on this boat trip.
Dun, dun, dun.
Sorry. This is Cool Blog. Your boba tea, Thai tea option.
Yeah.
I tried the strawberry Oreo excellent. But if you don't like tea, you can come here to the fruity option and get a nice fruity slushie. Super refreshing, super delicious. Now, let's go look at the health clinic. Now, you may be concerned, what if I get sick while I'm on the boat? What if I hurt myself? Don't you worry. There's a clinic. Also, I haven't taken advantage of this, but if you need to, there is a mental health break man spaces where you can talk about your issues.
Yeah.
And Lily might go on and do this tomorrow morning if she reaches her breaking point.
Unfortunately, you need the doctor to be in, which hasn't really happened yet.
Doctor's out, so if you get hurt right now, you're fucked. Now we're gonna take a look at the bathroom option for the mega budget and tourist accommodation options. It is pretty standard. It's like your basic hostel area. You have some sinks here. You have bathrooms here. And then showers right here.
Freaking head.
Don't forget your flip-flops. This one just has a broken head. It's fine though. Now we're gonna go check out where the animals live. It smells great right here. Now we're gonna go check out the Horizon Cafe. And since we upgraded to a cabin option, we get to eat our breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. Let's go. All right, we made it to the entrance of the Horizon Cafe. You only get access to this lounge if you have the state room, which is the most luxury, or the cabin room. Since we upgraded our room the first night, we are able to enjoy our meals here. The meals are no different except for the fact that you get a soup in the beginning and you have proper china and an extra cake, which actually is quite a flex. So let's take a look into the Horizon.
Oh my gosh, all to ourselves.
All right. It's nice and air conditioning. Honestly, most of today we spent sitting here playing cards. And these are our friends.
Yeah.
Dance party.
NASCARs.
Yeah. NASCARs. Honestly though, they're the most patient people ever because they had to deal with us for
They're the best.
50+
All
hours.
day.
Yeah.
All day.
The best. This is another place we can come and get snacks. I highly recommend the cup of noodle. You get a side of crackers with it and it's delicious. We're getting a very lucky treat. We're getting an in on the chef. Oh my gosh. This is the man who makes all of the food. Salamat.
Salamat.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Another thing I wanted to include is that all accommodation options include 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So when you think about it, it is a pretty good deal. I paid $50 for 3 nights accommodation and 3 days worth of food. So when you put it that way, it's kind of a good deal. Now we're gonna go to the hottest spot in the Philippine Sea, the karaoke bar. Let's go. This is the top floor of our cruise ship. If you have the mega budget or tourist option, this is where you'll be enjoying your meal. Oceanfront views, easy sea breeze. You can't get better than this.
I can so tell you did advertising.
Snacks. This is gonna be the spot that has the most snack options. So if you're feeling a little, if you're peckish, you're gonna wanna come here and get your snacks. And we have our karaoke setup in the works. Every single night we've been here, hot karaoke action. Even we went on stage and performed Dancing Queen, and they already asked us if we could do it again because we killed it. So. Hey guys, welcome to the room tour. This is my room. We have my bed. We have my teddy. We have my bonnet. And we have my blanket. But the cool part is let's go to Sharshar's kitchen. To Sharshar's kitchen. This is the spot where you get all the goodies on the cruise ship. We have her Cobra energy drink, her jar of Nutella, and what's Nutella? We have some classic white bread. That's it.
Wait, and Ella's crib.
My room. I've got 2 pillows actually. Luxury.
Wow, luxury.
Blanket that I stole from a cabin room.
Essential.
My jumper. This is my snack bag.
What's the contents of the snack bag?
Biscuits just fell out. Half of these shallots. Crackers. Noodles.
That is so hot.
Rubbish. Cloud9 chocolate.
Delicious.
And
Yummy.
onion and chive crackers.
Okay, next up. Come on. Hello. Good morning.
This is how I sleep.
Stormy, it's time to wake up. Rise and shine.
This is my beach towel and my sarong. And then, as a pillowcase, is my jumper. 99.
Good night.